Hello, everyone. Are you wondering how to teach a dog to come when called? Let's explore. Teaching a dog to come when called is one of the most important commands for a dog to learn, and it can also be a life-saving skill. Start in a quiet environment with few distractions to ensure your dog can focus. Use a cheerful tone and call your dog's name followed by the word come. Make sure to reward them with high-value treats or praise when they come to you, even if they take their time. Consistency and positive reinforcement are key. Every time your dog comes when called, reward them generously. Never scold a dog for coming late, as this can confuse them and discourage them from responding to the command in the future. Practice the command in short sessions multiple times a day to reinforce the behavior. Gradually increase the difficulty by practicing in more distracting environments, such as the backyard or a park. Using a long leash during training in open areas can help control the situation while giving your dog a sense of freedom. Always reward your dog for responding, whether it's with a treat, toy, or affection, to keep the experience positive. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.